Hello, welcome to the Whiteboard Video Maker tutorial by Jaguar. In this short video, we're just going to go over how to use the Whiteboard Video Maker, and you should be getting an email soon with your registration link and your software key. Once you register and log in, this is the home screen that you will see. You can see the templates here, and there's some simple ones like these intro outro ones like this. They're 6 seconds long. Stuff like that. These are kind of the same things. So we got those, and then stuff like this. We got little slides that you can edit. There's that one's like a little simplified version of these two right here. This is Jack and this is Sarah, or the long version. And how these work is it's basically, it's pretty, when you say a template for a whiteboard video, it usually comes with a lot of moving bits and pieces. Then it's not really a template. Like, this is a done for you template, which basically presents a problem, and then it will show a solution to that problem. So that's kind of the idea behind whiteboard videos in general. Like, you're trying to simplify how to solve a problem. So that's what these two templates over here do. So it showcases a problem that they have, and then it says, hey, like, there's a solution. And that's basically the flow of these whiteboard videos. So I'll click on this one, I'll show you what I mean. The ones that are blank, this is where images would go, and you can easily upload the images like every other video maker we have. It's the same type of editor, so it showed the different steps. Create video. It's a long video, so it has this is one of the longest ones we have on the software. So you can see down here there's 19 different scenes, so it's a lot of editing, and basically you can put project 1 up here so you can save it, and it says this is Jack. So this, you can put whatever you want, but the drawing is going to have the arrow pointing to the man. So you can say this is Mike, this is that. You can say whatever. We'll just leave that for now. And then this is where you can present the issue that you're trying to solve. So if you are a cleaning company, you can say he doesn't have time to clean his house, or doesn't have anybody to clean his business, or what have you. So you frame the problem here, and then you can back up with more instances of why it's a problem. Um, Again, some costs too much, takes too long, don't have what you need. So basically follow the flow chart. I mean, these images are pre-drawn, so all you gotta do is edit the text over here, and then bam, there's a solution. So this is where you start presenting your brand and what you offer. And then clearly there's your logo over here, and then you can type text there too. I'll just put the logo in, don't worry about the text box. And then here's more text about your solution. So you get the idea. I mean, this obviously is going to take you a little bit longer. You can't just run through this. You got to have an idea of what your problem and solution is first, and then you got to frame it within these scenes, and then also say it within the character limit here. So, I mean, if you ever used any other whiteboard software before, you almost get like a blank canvas, and then you start adding different things, and it takes a really long time. So here we already framed everything for you, so you don't have to worry about anything other than your verbiage, really. And then when you come down to the next scenes, you can see, like here, you can upload an image and stuff, so you can put images there for some of your products or services, and kind of go into how you're better than other people and what your value proposition. So it's really, really convenient way to make a whiteboard video. I mean, it saves you a lot of time. It's already filled out, and basically, you got the structure here, but all the meat inside of it is going to be customized to whatever you're providing, your solution, your product, your service. So it's a really great way to just make a quick, problem solution whiteboard video, and really easy to digest and explain how you're going to offer that to other people. So, once you're done with everything here, we can just go to the last scene, because everything, there's tons of stuff you can edit. It's going to take forever for me to go through and just create a, example demo problem solution. But well, after that, you go next, and then you can pick the music. So obviously, right now, it's the whiteboard story is where it's at, and I like that track. Or you could choose from all the other stuff below, or upload your own over here. For now, we're just going to keep it, say next, and guess what? You're done already. I mean, the editing part was the biggest part. You had 17 different scenes, but so this is basically it. Don't worry, all your changes are going to be reflective once it makes it. This is the first the template, how it looks like. So don't worry about that. Your stuff's going to change. You're just going to click start rendering, and it will start making your project. And once you make your project, it will go over to the projects tab, and it'll email you as soon as it's done. And depending on how many you're making at the same time, depends on how long it's going to take. But it could be anywhere from like 10-20 minutes to make these longer videos. But that's not that bad, considering it could take hours, days, and hundreds of dollars for an animator to do a custom video like this for you. So it's really, really nice to, be able to get this all done here. And, comes with the premium package. You can make these videos for your own business, or guess what? You could become a whiteboard video maker yourself and charge people hundreds of dollars for these videos. And, we give you a lot of flexibility, a lot of opportunity to go out there and make some money with this software. So if you have any questions, you can contact support over here. And, after that, you get to, you get to come back to the home screen and select more templates if you want to make anything else. So, other than that, if you have any questions, give us, shoot us an email, or send us a support message. You can directly email us at support@videojaguar.com. We look forward to seeing what you guys create with this, and hopefully helps out your business. We wish you the best of luck. Thank you.